everyone, I am Dr. Namika and today I will be telling about electric pulp testing device. So this is a device through which we test the pulp vitality of the patient. So before starting any procedure, first we need to tell our patient how the procedure is done, what kind of steps and what kind of response patient need to give us, in what terms. So it will reduce the anxiety of patient and also it will eliminate any bias risk because it may cause confusion and the treatment may compromised. Select a control tooth and then concern tooth. Before starting any procedure, we need to isolate the whole thing, and again testing the control tooth prior is important, then the concern tooth. So we isolate the area and tooth just by simply cotton roll, gauze piece and suction tape. We need to avoid air thing because it may later cause sensitivity to patient. So we isolate the area, and again we need to know that where the tip of the instrument needs to be placed. So in posterior teeth there is middle third mesiobuccal cusp of molar, and in premolar buccal cusp, and in anterior region we can place it on incisal third. So these are the positions where we need to place our instrument. Then we apply electrolyte on the tip of the instrument and place it against the positions which I told just now. So again, before starting these steps, we need to place the lip hook inside the patient of the mouth on the lip. You can just place it on the angle of the mouth. This will complete the whole circuit, and important that it needs to be in contact with the oral mucosa. And then start our instrument, and as soon as the current is passed on, patient feel tingling and warm kind of sensation, and he or she raise their hand. As soon as they raise their hand, just remove the tip from the outside from the mouth, and then just record the reading. After recording, we can just move on. And again, I have told earlier, first needs to be this testing needs to be done on the control tooth and then on the concern tooth, and then just reading needs to be compared. So just by doing simple steps, we can know that the tooth is vital or not, or through what threshold the vitality is present. For a clinical interpretation, just watch my next video, I'll be telling. Till then, bye.